Well, hello everyone. So I just wanted to talk really quickly. I've been looking at some student feedback, and one comment that pops up every once in a while are how long my videos are. So I wanted to take just a moment to address this. First of all, as you'll all note, and I'm sure are happy about, there is no textbook in this course, but I still need to teach you something somehow. And the way that I teach you is through video. We are covering quite a bit in this course, and if your expectations are that I can teach you everything that you need to know through 20-minute weekly videos with no text, nothing else to facilitate learning besides doing the assignments, just to look here, this is the UVU catalog, and what it states here is this is talking about lecture time, which would be considered video time. And it says that for a 1-credit course, you're expected to work at least 3 hours per week. And one of those 3 hours could be lecture time. So for a 1-credit course, you could expect 50 minutes of lecture time and 2 hours of work. Now, this is a 3-credit course. So what you could expect is 2.5 hours of lecture or video time and 6 hours of work per week. Now, as you'll note, I am well below that threshold, but especially when you take into account how I organize the videos. So for instance, for assignment 3.2, this is one of my longer videos, which totals about 50 minutes. But instead of just having you watch a 50-minute video and then kind of field through and try to find answers somewhere within this 50 minutes, which I had a student comment that's what I'm doing, but that's not at all what I'm trying to do. I know that would be such a pain for you, but instead I've set each question up so the video will automatically pull up to the part that's pertinent for the question. So for instance, if I click here, this video will start playing at 1:25 and it'll stop at 2 minutes and 12 seconds. And this answer is within that less than 1 minute time period. So this video is broken up into digestible chunks. Furthermore, even though it is 50 minutes, if anyone's familiar with YouTube, I can click this. All right, so welcome to the next. And looking here, on the settings, I can speed this video up. I can speed it up to 2 times if I wanted. So I can click it here, and now I'm speaking double time, and all of a sudden a 50-minute video becomes a 25-minute video. There are definitely going to be times, especially when I'm teaching you this step-by-step process of how to do something, you may not be able to watch it in double speed. For some people, you may even want to slow it down a little bit. I totally understand that. But I hope that what you can see is that I've tried to avoid giving you 2.5 hours of straight lecture video with a series of quizzes afterward, and you're kind of stressed like trying to memorize everything from the video. That's not what this course is. There's actually little to no memorization at all in this course. That's not what I'm about. Instead, these videos are helping teach you step by step how to create a survey, how to run an analysis, and it requires you to follow through. So this becomes very hands-on, whether you're face-to-face or online. I'm with you through the process. So if you're ever feeling frustrated with the amount of content I'm giving you, just think, does this equate to 2.5 hours of lecture time plus 6 hours of work on top of that? Because per policy, that's the amount of work that I could give you. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. Thank you for allowing me to step up on my soapbox a little bit. As always, please reach out if there's anything that I can do to help.